In this video I'm going to show you how to make a backup of your WordPress website, hoping that you want to migrate it onto a live server, or if you just want to keep a backup of the actual site. And we can see that my Lego shop website here, my WordPress e-commerce store, is operating on the local host, so it's in my WAMP server. So if I just go back to the dashboard of my Lego shop, I'm going to use a plugin, and if I go to plugins, you can see that there's a plugin there called Duplicator, and Duplicator will create a package of all of your WordPress files and your database together, present you with two files that you then upload onto your live server, and that will allow you then to unpack them and basically install the same website on a live server. But we'll get to that. So how do we actually pack up these files using Duplicator in the first place? So once you have activated Duplicator in your plugins, you'll see that on the menu on the left you'll have an option for Duplicator. So if I just click on Duplicator, it's telling me at the moment that I've got no packages found. So I've got to click the Create New button to build a package. So if I go and click Create New, here I can give it a name, so you can just see that it's date stamped and it's got the name of the folder that the WordPress files are in. So whatever the date is today, underscore Lego shop. You can call that whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as default. So the next button, it's going to scan the site. This may take some time. So once it's scanned the site, it's making some checks to see if everything is good. If we've got some reds in here, we have some problems, but for me, all is green and all is good. So my next step is to actually build the package. So if I click on build, it's going to build the package. Now, depending on the size of the WordPress site, this may take longer or shorter than others. If you've got a lot of plugins and big theme files, it may take some time. This website is fairly minimal, so it shouldn't take too long. And that's it. The build is complete, and it's now presenting me with two files that I can download and store. So I'd advise you download them and store them on an external hard drive or USB or somewhere on your PC. So I'm just going to click on the installer first. It's going to download. And then I'm going to click on this archive file, and that too is going to download as a zip file. So the installer downloads as installer.php, and the archive downloads as a zip file. And it's those two files that we've just downloaded that we'll have to move onto our live server when we want to migrate this site onto a live server. And that's all there is to it.